Hey babe, after 3 months you will get a completely new, beautiful and modern home. And then we can...
Yeah, don't like that lah. The ID's still here.
Hey ID, you sure you can complete the home on time or not?
Hey, don't worry bro. Limpe got your back. I do things soy one.
Okay, LB James, trust you.
A few moments later.
Hello brother, when can the renovation work be done?
Hey brother, I also wish the renovation can be done on time, but circuit breaker ongoing. Where to find construction workers? You give me 1 month. Your house confirm looks soy one. Tell you.
Okay lah.
6 months later.
Hey bro, the waxing come out already. My house still haven't finished. When my home renovation complete
Laoban, I stay at home notice. Sorry, wait.
Hey, you gonna go the COVID-19 is it?
No lah. I just come back from Thailand only.
Thailand? You go on holiday
No lah. I went the Singapore. Wait. No. The workers call me go there do the site survey. Wait. I call you back later.
Hey. Hello.
Many months later.
Hey brother, when the home renovation can be done? I tell you, now my girlfriend run off with other guys already. I tell you, 想不 cannot trust one. But anyway, when can my home be ready? I need the home for the rest of my life, brother.
Hey brother, don't worry. We almost done the home already.
Huh?
Just give us a little bit more time.
70 years later.
Finally, I got my home.
It's time to go.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.